wearing black and weighing 111 pounds with a professional weapons of 8 weights, 4 weeks coming by way of knockout, no defeat. He hails from Colorado City of South Cotabato tonight, representing the ARQ Sports Boxing Stable of Cebu City, introducing Ramil the Shark Mercado Jr.
5'6" and 5'8", and a southpaw and orthodox fighter.
Again,
So susceptible yan sa mga headbutt.
headbutt, sigurado. Again, one thing's for sure, may isang matatalo dito. Both fighters, wala pang talo.
Yes.
Mercado wearing black and red trunks, 9-0. At ito namang si Lawrence Dumamag, 8-0. Surely, may matatalo ngayong araw na to. And this is for our WBO Oriental Flyweight or Featherweight Championship.
Flyweight, sir.
Flyweight. And ito namang PBF Flyweight who with Lawrence Dumamag already. Didepensa niya for today. And so 2 belts is at stake.
I will see the sweet science of Ramil Mercado. Gusto kong makita yan sa ibabaw ng lona. Yung power naman ni Lawrence Dumamag sa kanyang counterpart.
Yeah, both fighters are not shy to go in a distance. Again, the power of Dumamag versus, the technicalities, prowess of Mercado. Kasi galing Philippine team eh. Ang dami ng coaches na dumaan siya. So he knows, every coach may nadadala yan sa'yo na mastery and diskarte.
I think the jab of Mercado will be a weapon on this fight.
Exactly. As you can see, the people here after that combination of Mercado, ooh. Mercado covering his face, very disciplined so far.
Mercado is so ripped. Nakikita mo yung muscles niya. Talagang kung sabihin nila, batak na batak to.
If you compare to Lawrence Dumamag, but he needs to be careful din. Kasi nga, alam natin itong si Lawrence Dumamag, he has that power.
Nung nakita ko sa interview ni Ramil Mercado, he did that train for 4 to 5 months for this fight.
Yes.
Sabi niya.
Exactly. Ang hindi tested dito for Ramil Mercado Jr. is his power. Alam natin, magaling siya sa mga angle, cutting off the corners, but the question is, does he has that power?
Ganyan talaga lumaro yung Dumamag. A little bit,
slower. He's slow. He's always a slow starter. All of his 8 fights.
Nice combination by Mercado. Both fighters did exchange.
Good left straight by Mercado. Pasok yun. Good. Right straight also there for Dumamag and a counter punch by Mercado.
Suklian.
Suklian talaga. Punch by punch, punto for punto.
Nice combination by Dumamag.
You can see that corner, sabi nila, go now.
Wow! Mercado is down. He is a little bit shaky right now.
Yeah, he was clearly hit there on the chin. Mercado needs to stand up. Dumamag goes for a jugular. Mercado counter punch.
Sabi ko, partner sa'yo, may lakas talaga itong Dumamag.
Yun naman talaga sabi natin eh. Will Ramil Mercado getting the shot. Clearly, he's still groggy there. Will Ramil Mercado stand up? Still give it a chance, but wala na yung mouthpiece niya. Well, Lawrence Lumamag goes for a jugular.
He was going for a broke already.
But Lumamag is also tired. But of course, you know, that adrenaline.
Oh, nice! I think Makado is down. And